Hey, good afternoon, fam. Good afternoon. Hope all is well with everybody. Hope all is well with everybody. Um, I want to take a moment to again let you guys know that we are having two workshops coming up in the next 13 to 15 days or so. The first one is for the barbers because I got a data that says roughly 85% to 90% of barbers retire broke, right? No retirement income to live off of, right? And then the other one is the Women Financial Seminar, which is on, so the barber is April 13th, and the women's is April 15th, right? And, you guys know me, I'm driven off of data because I feel as though data tells a story, and when you know the numbers, you can make adjustments, right? It says that there's an 80% chance that most women who retire will retire financially bankrupt, or they will be impoverished. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to educate the masses in reference to spending, debt, savings, investment, right? The other day, and I'm trying to remember exactly where this popped up. I don't know if it was Yahoo News, not quite sure. But Whoopi Goldberg, right, mind you, who's been in so many movies, made millions of dollars throughout the years, right? At 70-something years old, claims she cannot afford to retire. Right? I want you to think about that for a second. And I forgot, because I looked at the number. Let me look it up for you guys while we're talking about this, right? Let me see. Let's see here. Let's see what it says. What is Whoopi Goldberg's salary on the TV show The View?
Whoopi Goldberg makes an estimated $8 million annually as the moderator of The View. Her salary...
So, she makes $8 million a year as a salary from The View. And I don't know how long. I know The View has been on for at least 3+ years. And I believe she's been on there for probably that long. And making that kind of money, and you cannot afford to retire. That is concerning. That is concerning, right? So what we want to do is help people manage well, plan better, and secure their future. Manage well, plan better, and secure your financial future. So this is not going to be a long one. You guys are going to see a lot of my promotions on all my platforms. I want you to RSVP because we are only taking 35 to 50 people. That's it. It's going to be a cozy environment, and we're going to get into it, right? It's also free, by the way. I was told to charge for what I'm about to coach and guide on, but I decided not to, right? Because hopefully, after I educate you a little bit, you can end up turning around and doing business with me and allow me to be your advisor or your financial professional, right? So I waive any kind of fee or charging, unlike most people where they double dip in a way. They charge you for the information, and then they also charge you to put the plan in place for you. I'm waiving all that, right? So, again, if you are interested in coming out to learn about this, I want want you to text me I'm interested, or text me workshop to 443-208-5480. That's 443-208-5480. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful and blessed rest of your day. Love you guys. I hope to see you there.